Hi guys, in last video uh, we talked about values, I guess. Yeah, values. So in this video we'll see like how we can create new object. So the very first way you already know, like we can create by creating a new variable. Now we are going to see two more new methods here. These are assign and create. Okay, so we are going to see assign and create. All right. So let's talk about assign first, and we'll then talk about create. So what is assign? So assign, as you can see here, it is showing target and sources. So there are so many ways. We can pass so many parameters here. The first is mandatory target, and the second, like we can either pass one source or we can destructure multiple sources here, or we can do this way: source one, source 2, source 3. So what is this source? Basically these are all objects. Okay, so let's say we want to create an object with let me create a variable object is in new. And now if I want to start with an empty object, what it will do, it will check for all the enumerable property. By enumerable I mean which it can iterate. Like on source, if we have name field, okay, so on source it will try to iterate through and see like this property is accessible. So it will find like if here it exists, then it will override. If it not, then it will just add new one. Now let's say and try this what is happening here. So always a new is an object. We started with an empty object. We added one new property here. Okay, so finally it is this. Now again one more time, since this object is already defined, let me remove let here. Now as we talked, like we can add any number of sorry sorry, yeah, so we can add any number of property here, any number of objects here. So in next I want to add something else, like again country India. So what will happen is like first thing it will check it is enumerable or not, means it can iterate and find this field or not. So like first it will start with this object. This will enumerate and copy the property here. Then this will enumerate and copy the property. If it exists, then it will replace. If it not, then it will create new one. Now if you see, this will have two properties. Similarly, let's try again and add name tag. So what will happen? First, it will start with object. It will copy this field here, and it will copy the country. It will create new country field here since it is doesn't exist till now. And but when it will come to the name, it will see like the name already exists, so it will replace it. Some error happened, I think. I missed a quote here. That's fine. Yeah. Now the name Vivek is replaced by Jack. All right. So in the next video, we'll talk about object create. So thank you for watching.